Yeah, sure. Siyabonga bafethu. We are back. Sibuyile. It's called Roaming Podcast. Like higher as corner. La kumnandi khona. We are bringing the heat. Siphethe okusha. Mavesta wenu lo bafethu uzwakhe umcabamaziyo. Uzwakhe mbulile right. The one and only. Namhlanje siphethe okusha bafethu size nenye. Siphethe another hit. We are bringing another thriller bafethu. Siphethe angazi ukuthi ubani but ngize nenye sekazozi-introduce yena bafethu. We have my guy here. Nandi Jayabi, Nandi Dogilabi.
Viewers, what's up? Hey, it's your boy, Chizman, it's your host from Orange Farm. Holding today, host, as my best as my table more. Hope you're good. You're about to cook, guys. Yeah, hope you're good, eh? Yeah.
Tako siyabonga bafethu. Mavesta wenu lo bafethu. Got my boy CP now. We're probably to be running the show. So besiphethe show yenu bafethu. So besiphethe ushiso. So besiphethe yonke into. We are unfiltered, guys. We don't take any sides. Like Orange Farm. If you have something to say, khona into ofuna ukuyisho, khona umuntu okuhluphayo, khona into ongayithandi, khona into ofuna sizwe as umphakathi. We got you Roaming Podcast bafethu. On this platform as kids. Siyakhetha uthi
As kids, bafethu as kids, noma yini bafethu, whatever you can think of bafethu, engaphathi kahle, zangathi akwazi ukukhuluma ngayo and you want to bring it out there, you can talk about it. We don't usually go to those people, but we sit down, we talk about it, we come with a resolution as it is a conflict for you. We try to help you out, and then we see if our viewers are going to help us by commenting, what's popping, and what's not good, what's bad, and things like that. You dig me? So yeah, we can help you out, guys. We got a lot of things coming up here. Got a lot of shit coming. Hey,
yeah, siphethe guys. We got a lot. Stay locked in, guys. This page on YouTube there. It's called Roaming Podcast. Kulaikhaya bafethu. In Orange Farm, meeting paid bafethu. We're going to be running the show. If you've got a business, you've got a child, you've got a school, you have something to complain about, or you have something you want to say out loud, ufuna ukuzwakala now, or you're just an artist uhleli ekhaya, knowing that now uyafuna ukubonakala, you want everyone to see you, but you don't have that platform for people to know you. Roaming Podcast Gulas Corner bafethu. Siphethe umshiso kuphela bafethu. It's 2.0 ama-2000 kuphela bafethu. Umshiso kuphela waya ushubile etiyeni bafethu. We got it covered bafethu. Nanoma kuthiwani, nanoma ungafuna ukuthini, ziningi izinto ezenzakalayo. Kune-tragedy that happened. Maybe it's 2 days or 1 day ago. If I'm not mistaken, someone was got into a dustbin, bamfake edustbin, bamlahlela by
hey bro, I had something like that. That's the best. I had something like that. I had something like that, bro. Check, bro. I had that. A nigga was found. Man. He was beaten because he stole something, bro, from a neighbor's house. I don't know. And then they hit him. They thought he's dead.
Oh,
thinking he's not dead. Thinking that he's dead, but he's not. And then from Tata. Shut up.
Oh.
And only to find out, I think on Monday, Monday, I'm meeting up with a track. They avoided. Sorry to laugh, guys, but they avoided. Chata.
Oh, okay.
That's not healthy, bro. That's not healthy. Hey, guys, it's going on. Yeah, hey, bro. Hey,
every day it's a new day.
Hey, bro.
Every day it's a day that uzothola like his story. You don't find that thing to say the story less ukuze siqale size sifike la siqale kuphi isiqalo asaziwa
so uthola indaba phela ngama piece
ngama piece then wena usoyithola ekugcineni kanti awazi ukuthi